Deploy the tripod and place it on the flat surface stably. Loosen the central column adjustment knob counterclockwise to pull the central column up and down. After pulling it to the proper height, turn the central column adjustment knob clockwise to lock it. Loosen the central column adjustment knob by turning counterclockwise, then pull the central column out. Reverse it, then place the end of the central column into the anti-slip bracket. Pull it up to the desired height and turn the central column adjustment knob clockwise to lock it. To remove, loosen the central column adjustment knob counterclockwise. It will auto-slip down and get caught by the anti-slip buckle, then press the anti-slip buckle to pull it out smoothly. The anti-slip buckle and anti-slip bracket prevent the central column from falling. Notes: make sure to hold the central column with one hand and operate it with the other hand to avoid accidental falls. Use the provided hex key. Then, press the safety pin with the provided hex key. Pull to remove the central column tail section. To mount, align the side with the safety pin with the side which has the safety pin slot. Press the safety pin with one hand and push the central column tail section upwards with the other hand, then a click sound will be heard. The central column section will be mounted successfully. Notes: please be careful while operating and keep the hand away in time to prevent pinching.